Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
When all the hereditary Brahmins were thus cursed by Nandishvar, the sage Bhrgu, as a reaction, condemned the followers of Lord Shiva with this very strong Brahminical curse. The word duratya is particularly used in reference to a Brahmadanda, or curse by a Brahman. A curse by a Brahman is very strong. Therefore it is called duratya, or insurmountable. As the Lord states in Bhagavad Gita, the stringent laws of nature are insurmountable. Similarly, if a curse is uttered by a Brahman, that curse is also insurmountable. But Bhagavad Gita also says that the curses or benedictions of the material world are, after all, material creations. The Caitanya Charitamrita confirms that which is accepted in this material world to be a benediction and that which is taken to be a curse are both on the same platform because they are material. To get out of this material contamination, one should take shelter of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, as recommended in Bhagavad Gita, Mam iva ye prapadyante mayam itam tarantite. The best path is to transcend all material curses and benedictions and take shelter of the Supreme Lord, Krishna, and remain in a transcendental position. Persons who have taken shelter of Krishna are always peaceful. They are never cursed by anyone, nor do they attempt to curse anyone. That is a transcendental position.